Welcome, dear followers. Based on your request on how to integrate the Arduino libraries in Proteus, since Proteus does not have the Arduino microcontroller embedded in its libraries. For example, if we search here for the Arduino device in Proteus, you see that there is no Arduino microcontroller. You simply have connectors here. So this video will guide you on how to integrate these libraries. First of all, you need to download the Arduino libraries for Proteus. In the description section, you can find a link to download the libraries. Here are the libraries. So double click, you can copy these two files using Ctrl+C, and then you go in the root directory, click C, program files, Labcenter Electronics Proteus 8, then libraries, and you paste it here. Ctrl+V to paste. So we have pasted. Then you need to close the Proteus and run it back. Schematic capture. Then you search for Arduino. So you can now see that the Arduino has already been integrated because we have already included the libraries. For example, the Arduino UNO, double click, and then you put it in the workspace. So this is how you can integrate the Arduino libraries, and any other library you simply need to download the library package, and then you copy and paste in the library section of Proteus 8 root directory. Thank you.